everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching birds' names in Zulu. Untinginono. Untinginono. Untinginono means secretary bird. Unodwebu. Unodwebu. Unodwebu means flamingo. Umunswi. Umunswi. Umunswi means thrush. Intsingisi. Intsingisi. Intsingisi means ground hornbill. Umzwilili. Umzwilili. Umzwilili means Cape Canary. Umkholwane. Umkholwane. Umkholwane means hornbill. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.